Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, May the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4 stars Sudoku. You are interested in the 4 stars Sudoku number 8509. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24 printed digits, yes. The 4 stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, naked single, yeah. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 3 threes. 3 fours. No fives. 3 sixes. How about the sevens? 3 sevens. 4 eights. All right. And 2, 3, 3 nines. So the eights are a majority. Can I start with 8? Yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, on the last column. Only place level 8. Should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. Only place level 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 1 in the second row. Should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. Okay. Need a 6. Yeah. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. 9, need a 9. Alright. What are these 3 missing numbers in the second row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. And look, we have 6 and the 7 in the middle column, so no 6 and the 7 in this box. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in the second row for number 5. Alright. Okay. 4, 2, 4, 9. Need 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column, so the column next only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 is 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7. 7. Alright. And now, come on. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so the row between only place level 9 should be there. Cannot continue with the 9 now, need to wait. Need a 6 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have 2 and the 6 in this column, so no 2 and the 6 in these two boxes. 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, need a 4 here. Well. 4, 5, and I need a 2 here. Yeah. In the last row, we need a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between only 2 places left of the 2. Could be here, could be there. There's 7 here. And I need 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these two boxes. 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Shoot there. Alright. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Alright. Need a 5 here. Need a 2. Need a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. Together with the 2, we have a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row. For number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. Alright. 1, 5, 7. Okay. 3 in this column. 3 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left of 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left of the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left of 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright, and now, how about, in a 6 here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How about a 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left of the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And we have a pair, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 2 and the 6. We have 2 and the 6 in this column, so no 2 and the 6 in this box. 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, so 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5, 7. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. Need a 4 here. Need 4 there. And what number is this? This should be the 1. 1, 1, 1. Yeah. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left of 4, A should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left of 4, could be here, could be there. Here we have 4, here we have 4, that means in this column, the 4 should be there. Because in this column, we have 3 missing numbers. Here can be 4, we have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have 4 in the column above, so no 4 there. Only place left of 4 should be there then. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, the 9, 2, 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. Mark those 2 boxes with 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. No 5 could be here, could be there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so this box can be 5 no more. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 1 and the 2. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left of 1 should be there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers in the first row is number 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. Only place left the 6 in the first row should be there. So 1 number left in this big square for number 2 then. 2 to 9, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe, the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in the 5, we have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. And final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow, it's quicker than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.